how to turn on or turn off window animation scale on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, the Edge or the Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down to the bottom and tap on developer options. Now in here, we then scroll down and from here tap on quick settings, developer tools. After that, go down and tap on window animation scale. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now when you turn this on, it only adds the option to the developer to the quick settings tile in here. So to actually activate it or to turn it on, you need to swipe down at the top like this, and in your quick settings, swipe down to open up the full menu. From here, tap on the window animation button here to turn it on, and that's it. So that is now turned on, and we have now, you can see that's the Windows animation. It's actually quite slow with the animation. You can see here it's quite slow. And here we will switch it off. And that's it. So if the animation is too slow, you can readjust the speed in settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.